welcome to my first devlog for our new game. How you probably saw in my last video is that I working on video games, and I started a new project together with an artist, and it will be a 2D game released on iOS devices and Android devices, and maybe also on macOS and Windows. We will see. And today in the first devlog I will show you our progress. We are working on this game since 1 week, and I plan to make a devlog once a week at least. I will in the future also record my screen during my normal work on the game, and then make a quick combination of the work. And yeah, at first I show you our progress till now. Right, this is only a prototype name, so it won't be a Project X game. So it will be an 2D Tekken-like fighting game. Like, you all probably know Tekken, and you all probably know Donkey Kong. So we love the both games and want to see it in one game, but we also have lots of our unique ideas that we want also put into the game and make something not entirely new, but kind of a recreation from our favorite games. This is only a prototype, so this monkey probably don't. So right, I had this bug that he can't play the animation, and then for 5 minutes I figured out that the time for the animation was not long enough, so he had no time to play the actual animation right here in the animator. So I put a coroutine right here that always waits a half second after every function. Like, here is the jump button function, and at the beginning, at the idle state, will be set to false, so that the animator set integer can be set on 1. So 0 is idle, 1 is jumping, and so on and so on. And at the end I always had, like, here is I gleich true, but this gives him not enough time to play the animation because he had one frame to play the animation and switch back. So now he waits a half second, and this is probably enough for the animation. So yeah, this is our progress for now. I started with code for the player. Like, later on we want to add some other characters, like a prince will be the second main character to play against, and some skins and so on in the shop. So lots of work is to do. I open quickly Trello. Yeah, and by the way, we are planning to start a Kickstarter campaign, so when you are interested into this, then you can have this in mind and support us or whatever. Just follow us here on my YouTube channel. and you also will become a little surprised, especially if you spend something on Kickstarter, but also when you just support us, and then we will give some things away. So this is our Trello board. It's, by the way, also public, or when it's not, then I will do it so, and then you can just follow it. I will put a link in the description so you can see how far we are making progress and what's the state of the development. By the way, sorry for my English again. You probably know that I am German, like you see it in my other videos. So I sometimes need a second to overthink my sentences. So the last few minutes we will do some code in the game. Like, well, we can now move forward, move backwards, we can jump, and other things we can't, but we have the animations, so we will quickly implement this. Ah yeah, and the rotation is already implemented, and also the health system, like when I go here to canvas, UI, health bar, shield bar, the blue is the shield bar, and when that is on 0, then also the health will decrease. So you see, and yeah, lost, but it's not attached to the player. So, well, it is, but it's not probably because the code is a kind of messed up with stuff. Yeah, we need to do lots of this. So this is so shit. It's not object programming, but don't worry yet. So we have this everything. This is the player controller. But we had here a tag, like here's attack 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and so on. So we have here the override void to attack. It's from attack base. Abstract void. Health base, deal damage. It's everything like the best I'm able to do. I tried. So okay, so we need probably here integer attack type. So we can order which attack method will be done. So we need probably here int attack type. Oh yeah, of course. Oh man. Okay, here's the tag type equals to attack type dot attack2. So I see I did already this. This is fine, but okay, so we will quickly do this. And do here sf integer tag type. It's not a perfect naming convention, I know. But one. So just copy this. Then 2. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. I just copied the new thing that I wanted to overwrite. Then so 4 and 3. Then we will do again a coroutine right here. It's probably not the best approach of programming, but not only probably, it's not. So, okay. We'll do here a public boolean is idle get and set, and this we also do public. Then we instantiate here the class player controller controller that equals to new player controller, right? And then go here to player controller is idle equals to false. This just copy and paste. Right. We for the guys who don't know why I'm doing this, is it's cause we want to do object-oriented programming and to don't make things twice. We just take the thing from this class to this class without declaring it again. So right, it makes it false, so we can go back, and here is the idle type, so this thingy will be played. We also made this. Just copy it there because we need it right now, so we have not to go to switch all the time between them to remember what we want to do. So here the animator, oh gosh, player controller dot animator, perfect. State, so this is the attack 1, so we want do it 5. Oh, actually we want to do it here, so this will be 6. This will be 7, and this finally will be 8. So we are done right here. Now we just need the coroutine after this. So start coroutine player controller dot wait some time coroutine. I don't hold up the naming convention. I'm sorry for that, but you know, I'm not sorry actually. So let's see if this works. So of course this needs to be public. This makes our base class completely nonsense. Yeah, it does. But I guess that's okay for now. When we get some troubles with that style, then we have to mess up with that later on. I guess it's okay for us. So let's recompile that. Done perfectly. So we need to do this on the player. Environment player attack. So here is player, right? Because when the enemy has the script, then the boolean is player will be not there. And it does nothing yet, but it will. Something with the buttons. I don't know, to be honest, what I wanted to do with that. But it's there, right? So here we want to see the player attack and do attack. So, and here we see what kind of this. So this is 1. It works. That's great. I was not sure if I can do it like that, but it seems like I can. And do attack. This will be 2. And this will be 3. Grab. 3 and finally 4. So okay, this is great. So here maybe it's this the fault. I'm not sure. I guess not. It should work also when I do only in runtime, even if it's not runtime, but you know, yeah, it was not because that. So we have here the 4 and here the int attack type. This is what we give them if attack type equals to 1. So let's see if this, if it displays the right method. if it doesn't, why it doesn't. Null reference exception, object reference not set to an instance of an object. Attack to attack. Line 44. Maybe if we declare this animator entirely new, then maybe let's make here sorry, so here this animator, so we can reference it from here. So okay, no, it should work, I hope at least. Okay, here's the player, attack script, attack type. Ah, yeah, I see. Here we do like 1. Animator player. Ah, we did something pretty wrong. Shouldn't want it here. I see, we are on the right. On the right way, we are on the right way. Maybe here, player controller dot. I'm really not sure, I never did something like that, it's pretty new and it's for me exciting that it works. I'm excited. Okay, it seems like. Okay, this is. Let's see what happens. So okay, we are like here we have the animator and here the getter is idle. Set. But he never gets. So it should work, I guess. I can't find a error. Did. Okay, this was probably wrong. Maybe when we do here, like here like player controller dot wait some time is equals to wait long. Okay, this is probably the funniest thing I ever tried. I really don't know how to do that. Like this was right, I guess. This probably is not needed to be there. So it should play it like when we press F12, then it comes back to here. And it changed the is idle. Here, update is idle, set integer to state 0. So it should stop the animation from attacking, but it doesn't. Okay, but we don't care about that right now. I fix it by myself later, and I would be glad and happy if you leave a like here and you show interest about this game. Then just write in the comments when you have some ideas about features. I don't know, we are open for everything, so just let us know. And also look in the description about our Facebook site, about our Facebook page from the game. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed and see us next week.